student of Prep 2C. I have made this colorful, beautiful flower as my school activity. It's round in shape and seem very beautiful. Come on, let's learn the colors. Blue, orange, pink, yellow, purple, green. We have made such lovely flowers. Do you guys like it? It is so easy. Bye bye.